Hi everybody, welcome back to Sharon from Vivid Days. This evening we are going to be exploring alcohol inks. Now I'm fairly new in my journey still with alcohol inks. I've not really touched it since I moved into my new place, and I think that's because I'm scared of splashing the walls, so I'm going to get some plastic up around me, but I'm going to enjoy it. I'm going to get the old air compressor out and blow some of that alcohol and the inks around and see what I come up with. So always inspired by the wonderful Miriam from Miriam's Nature. But I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy my process. I hope you find a little bit of relaxing time as you're watching this. And remember, if you enjoy my art, my video, or you're inspired, thumbs up, subscribe, share, comments are always welcome. And if you've got any particular products or any particular colour palette you'd like me to work on for my next video with alcohol inks, you know what to do. Leave a comment below for me. But other than that, be kind, be creative, be true to yourself, and support all artists out there. And remember, failing is good. You learn from it. Anyway, much love. See you on the next video.